Hello, in this video we will see how to install PyCharm and how to run Python program in PyCharm. So let's search PyCharm on Google and go to this download link. You can see there are two versions. One is professional and other one is community. Professional is paid version and community is free version. So I will install community version. So click on download link. So it will start downloading PyCharm. Now PyCharm download is completed. Click on downloaded file to install PyCharm. It started installing. Click on next. You can change a path. I will keep default one. Click on next. Now you can configure your installation options like creating desktop shortcut, add open folder as a project, and click on next. Now click on install option. So it will start installing PyCharm. Now click on finish. Now PyCharm has successfully installed. Now we will see how to run Python program in PyCharm. Select PyCharm from start menu. Click on new project option. Give some name to your project. Now this is a new environment. This is the location of your project and this is a base interpreter. I already installed Python 3.9. So it is automatically detecting. By default this option is enabled, so main.py file is already available in your project. I am disabling this option because I will create new file to run a program. Now click on create. Now it's loading project in PyCharm. Now go to this project, click on new option and select Python file. Give some name to your Python file. I'm giving hello world. I am writing very simple program, just printing hello world. Now we want to run this program, so click on add configuration. Now click here, select Python. In script path you select your file, so here it's hello world py. Python interpreter is already selected, that's a 3.9. Now click on apply and OK. Now just click on this option to run program. So here it's output. In this way you can run your Python program. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.